This 118W USB-C MacBook Pro charger is designed to deliver high-speed, efficient, and reliable charging performance for modern laptops and mobile devices. Built for users who need serious power on the go, it provides enough wattage to support MacBook Pro models as well as other USB-C compatible laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The fast charging capability ensures that your device can regain significant battery life in a short time, making it a practical choice for professionals, students, and travelers who rely on uninterrupted workflow throughout the day. One of the standout aspects of this charger is its focus on stable power delivery. With USB-C power delivery support, it intelligently adjusts output based on the connected device, helping maintain safe and optimized charging speeds. Whether you're powering a laptop for heavy tasks, charging a tablet for media use, or quickly topping up a phone, the charger is built to handle multiple power demands without compromising efficiency. The compact design also makes it easy to carry in a bag, making it suitable for office use, home setups, and travel situations where portability matters. Safety is another key strength of this charger. It is engineered with multiple protection features to guard against overcharging, overheating, and excessive current flow. These built-in safeguards help extend the lifespan of both the charger and your connected devices, giving added peace of mind during long charging sessions. The solid build quality adds to its reliability, ensuring consistent performance over time, even with regular daily use. In practical use, the 118W output provides a noticeable improvement in charging speed compared to standard adapters. It reduces waiting time and keeps your devices ready for productivity, entertainment, or creative work whenever needed. For users who depend heavily on their MacBook Pro or other USB-C devices, this charger offers a strong balance of speed, safety, and convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.